When a young fairy gets her wings, she tends to make a mess of things. She runs and jumps and flies through the air, sprinkling her pixie dust everywhere. Fairies are nimble and fairies are quick, so cleaning up after them can be quite a trick. But a hero has come to save the day, reaching high and low spaces where fairies play. A motorized brush pulls up dirt and debris, and a flexible wand whisks away confetti. With a variety of far-reaching onboard tools, the Multi is prepared for most cleaning duels. Powerful suction vacuums hard-to-reach spaces, and a long-lasting battery cleans multiple places. The Multi's dustbin empties in a flash, with a hands-free feature that goes right in the trash. Fairy life is short and sweet. BISSELL's Multi makes memories and keeps your home neat.
And they all lived happily ever after.
The Utopia LI battery hand vacuum makes carpet and floor touch-ups a breeze. Its powerful suction easily picks up debris and spills around your home and car. Hard to reach or tight spaces are easy to clean with the small and large crevice tools. A removable dust tank and washable filter are easy to access so they can be kept clean. Grab the powerful Utopia LI battery hand vacuum anytime you need a quick cleanup.
Bye.